Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Idea Tab Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general settings, to find about tablet. Now we have to scroll and find software version, so this is the name of the build number. Let's say in this device, the build number is the number which we usually try to find to open developer options. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we have to enter general settings and scroll down to the very bottom. Tap on developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the display cutout, surface updates. Here we've got some networking options. So to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on the option to open more of them to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just use this switcher which is pinned to the top of the list or the screen, and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the general settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the software versions tab and keep tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.